Alright, this is how to install shaders on Minecraft 1.18.1. Open Chrome, search up OPTIFINE. OPTIFINE downloads. Click mirror, click on it, click save. Go to Java, download Java for Windows. Agree and start free download. Install this. Once it's done downloading, click on it. It'll open this. Click install. Click OK. Open Minecraft. It'll pop up right here. Click play. Open up some random world. As you can see, there is no shaders except internal. Internal is for pussies. Now close the game. Now press Windows and R. Type in app %app data %. Click OK. .minecraft. Scroll down until you see shader packs. If there's no shader packs, create a new folder. Open shader packs. Find shaders. Pick some random shit. What the fuck? Download whatever you want. Find the shader pack in your download folder and drag it into the shader packs folder. Open Minecraft OPTIFINE. Options, video settings, shaders. You'll see that it's right here. What the fuck? Anytime you want new shaders, you do not need to reopen Minecraft. I have a whole list of shaders right here that I'm actually going to drag in. You can just move it here. And then you'll see that they're all here, like Astralex. And now we have Astralex.